Good afternoon, all. My name is Kalpesh Gambhir Chaudhary, and today's our topic is Java main method. So, what is Java main method? The main method is the starting point from JVM to start the execution of Java program. Without the main method, JVM will not be executed the program. The syntax of Java main method is: public is a access specifier, static is a keyword, void is a return type, main is a main method name, string args is a array of string type. So what is public? Public, it is an access specifier we should use to public keyword before the main method, so that JVM can identify the execution point of the program. If we use private, protected and default before the main method, it will not be visible to JVM. So what is the static? Static, you can make a method static by using this keyword, using the keyword static. So we should call the main method without creating an object. Static method are the method which invoke without creating the object, so we do not need any object to call the main method. So this is the static. What is void? In Java, every method has the return type. So void keyword acknowledge the compiler that the main method does not return type any value. So this is void. And next one is what is main. So it is a default signature. We is predefined the JVM. It is called by JVM to execute a program line by line, and the execution after completion of this method, we can also overload the main method. So this is the main. And last one is a string args. So the main method also accepts some data from the user. It accepts a group of string which is called a string array. It is used to hold the command line arguments in the form of string value. So args, this is the array name, and it is of the string type. It means that it can store a group of string. Remember, this array can also store a this array can also store a group of string, and this array can also store a group of number, but in the form of string only. Value passed to the main method is called arguments. These arguments are stored into args array, so this name is args array is generally used for it. So what happen if we main method is written without string args? So the program will compile but not run, because JVM will not recognize the main method. Remember, JVM always look the main method with a string types array as a parameter. So the execution process of main method: for JVM execute the static block, then it execute the static method, and then it create the object needed to by the program. Finally, it execute the instance method. JVM execute a static block on the highest priority basis. It means JVM first goes to static block even before it look the main method in this program. So suppose example, in class ABC, static system.out in static block, system.out.println static block, and public static void main in string static method, system.out.println static method. So the output is a static block first, and second one is a static method. So you observe that JVM first execute the static block if it is present in a program. After that, it searches the main method, and if the main method is not found, it gives error. So this is the example of static block and static main. method. So thank you.